Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Liquid Ocelot, and today I'm going to show you how to boost your earnings on Medium. So we all know that if you are a Medium partnership program member, your stories are eligible for getting money in the form of readership. The more readers read your story, the more money you can make. However, there is another way. I'll go to my profile and I'll go to settings, and here in the settings I'll choose publishing. Now I have two options with me: promote email subscriptions. I'll copy this link and promote Medium memberships. Now, what is promote email subscriptions? Email subscriptions is if somebody subscribe to your Medium email newsletter, and promote Medium membership is if somebody uses your referral link to join Medium membership program, where they have to pay $5 per month, or yearly they have to pay $60, I think. So you get $2.27 from that. So what I'm going to do is copy both of these links, and there is a custom message. You can customize the message over here for both of these links. I have already copied these links in the notepad, so you should manually copy these links in the notepad. Now what I'm going to do is go to my Medium partnership program page. So it's been 2 days. 2 days earnings have been provided. So as you can see, I have made $4.54 from November's referred members earnings. So 2 people joined the Medium membership via my referral link, and that money is displayed over here, as you can see. So what you are noting is that I haven't made that much money in the last 2 days from my Medium stories. So what I'm going to do is do something interesting. I'm going to open these 3 links, these 3 stories, and the artificial intelligence one. What I'm going to do is go and click edit story. So I know that these 3 articles made some money for me, so I'm going to press enter, copy both of these links that we pasted in the notepad, and I'm going to press enter and enter, so that both of these are embedded, and then I'm going to save and publish this for this one article, the power of artificial intelligence. So both of these links are embedded now. So I'm going to do the same over here in this Medium story as well. This is a very powerful story, and it has made me lots of money, over $30 I think, and is one of my best performing stories. So I'm going to check if the links have been updated. Yes, and I'm going to also post edit out this as well. So what I suggest to do is add these links to your best articles, your Medium stories, and try to add these links manually to all of your articles at the end of each story. So what this will do is boost your chances of getting referrals, membership referrals to Medium, and you are going to get $2.27 from that. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell notification bar, and let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this strategy. I'll be signing off. Take care.